Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem online computer training lesson. In this video, I'll be taking you on a stroll of computer basic knowledge. And if you are new to InfoDem, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and bang the bell there so that the subsequent video you can be notified when it is uploaded. So the essence of this video is to take you on a basic computer training journey. In case you are new to computer or you don't have any knowledge of computer at all, or you have little knowledge of computer, this video is for you. So as a beginner, there are some basic information that you need to know before you delve into computer training properly. So that is the essence of this video. This video is all about computer appreciation. It's about you knowing your computer and knowing everything that is required of you at this elementary stage for you to be able to be a better computer operator. So right now, let us go into the objectives of this video. Number one objective of this video is the definitions. You need to know the definition of computer. You need to know the definition of some key components of computer and how they operate. Then the second one is computer appreciation. Then the third one is computer components. The fourth one is computer hardware. The fifth one is computer software. So right now, let us go into the definition of computer. A computer is an electric device that accepts, processes, stores, and outputs data. It can perform various tasks such as calculation and data processing. Your computer can calculate, it can process data. In case you don't know what is called data are raw information that are yet to be processed. So they are, when you type A, B, C, D, they are data, they are raw data. Until you match them together, that is when it will give you a word. Or when you say 2 plus 2 is a raw data, until your computer helps you to calculate it, that is when it will give you result, which is processed information that will give you 4. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. So that is it. Then it stores and retrieve information. Yes, your computer can store information. Then whenever you need it, you can go there and retrieve your information. Computer perform the tasks of communication. As you know, our email, our internet, our phone, these are computer. Also, our computer perform the tasks of entertainment. We talk about game, we talk about multimedia and the rest of them. Then lastly, it performs the tasks of education, which is what you are receiving right now. Can talk about online learning. That is one of the a unique function or tasks performed by computer. So what you are doing right now is one of the tasks performed by computer: education, online learning. So right now, what is computer appreciation? Computer appreciation refers to understanding and valuing the importance of computer and technology in daily life. Do you know that a lot of people, whenever they see a computer, they see computer as something that is mysterious? To even press the keyboard is scary to them, and because because they don't know anything about computer, they see it as something that is only somebody that is Superman that can operate. So that is the essence of computer appreciation. Computer appreciation enables you to know that computer is not a spirit, computer is not a magic, and for you to know that computer needs you more than you need computer. Without you, computer cannot operate. Without you, computer cannot perform any function. So that is what you should have at the back of your mind for you to be able to operate computer, and also to know that this computer has, you know, it has impacted our society so much. So you need, under this computer appreciation, you must have the basic knowledge of computer, which is what you are doing right now. You must understand computer applications. So you must understand computer application, then you must familiarize yourself with digital tools, then technology impact on our society. So right now, let us go to the computer component so that you can familiarize yourself with computer. Right now, if you can see on the screen, I have laptop here, I have desktop computer here. If you see all the laptop component, you will see the screen is called LCD display. You see the USB port. This is where you insert your USB cord. It's at the side. Then you see the wireless, you see the hard drive, you see the pointing device. The pointing device here is the same thing as mouse in desktop computer. You see the memory, you see the battery, then you see the keyboard. This is where you input your data, what you use to input your data, and once you input it here, it will display here. Then let's go to the desktop computer. As you can see, this is the screen of desktop computer is called the monitor. Then the keyboard, you can see the keyboard, you can see the mouse, which is pointing device in laptop. That's the mouse. You see the hard disk, you see the RAM, and the rest of them. So computer components are divided into two. You have the hardware computer component, and the software computer component. So what is hardware? Computer hardware. Computer hardware are physical components of computer that provides physical infrastructure for software to run and perform tasks. These are the physical aspect of computer, part of computer that you can see, that you can touch, that you can feel. So this comprises the central processing unit, which is this. The central processing unit. This is the central processing unit. The big one here. This is also known as the brain of the computer, because this is where all the work are carried out. Then we have the memory, which is the RAM. This is where all informations are being stored. Then we have the storage drive. This is the storage drive. This is the hard disk. Here too is for storage. Then we have the motherboard. So you can see the motherboard here. All these things, they are physical components that you can see, that you can feel, that you can touch. This is mouse that you can move around. You use to move your cursor. Then we have the monitor, that is the screen where information that you type will be displayed. Then we have input devices. One of the input devices that we have here is your keyboard. We have a mouse is an input device too. Then we have output device, which is your printer. It can be touched, it can be seen. So that is computer hardware component. Then we also have the software in the computer software, which refers to programs and operating systems that run on computer hardware. These are programs that are already installed on computer to perform a specific task. Then they are divided into three. We have the system software. The system software, it has to do with the computer. For example, the laptop I'm using right now is a Windows laptop. It's Windows 12. That is what I'm using. Then we have Mac OS, we have Linux. Apple has their own, which is Mac OS. So that is it. Then we have application software. This is very, very important, because this is where we are going to major on this application software. This is where you see all the Microsoft Office, the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, which is going to be our major point of training. Then all this Google, Microsoft that you also see here, they are application software. These are applications that are designed to perform a specific task. Then lastly, we have the programming software. These program software are tools that are used for the programming of application software, e.g. we have the compiler, we have the interpreter. So these are the basic knowledge of computer that you need to know before we delve into the main thing in our next lesson. So I want to encourage you to share this video, like this video, subscribe to InfoDem, because in our subsequent video, our next video, we will be going straight into Microsoft Word. Tell other people that you already know that they can acquire their computer knowledge on InfoDem. So till I see you in my next video, I want to tell you that Jesus is Lord.